Hi guys, good morning and welcome to my channel. So I'm here drinking my hot lemon water as every morning, but what is different from today is that I'm really craving some pumpkin spice latte from Starbucks, and believe me, I'm craving so bad. So I'm thinking to make some pumpkin spice latte pancakes, and I really want you to be part of this, so let's get into the kitchen and make them. We are going to start this recipe by combining 2 cups of oats flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of clove, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ginger, 2 teaspoons of coconut sugar, a pinch of salt, and then mix all together until it's evenly combined. Now we are going to mix 2 cups of almond milk with 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and don't be afraid, it won't taste like vinegar, but it is going to create a buttermilk consistency, and it makes the pancakes fluffy because it helps to activate the baking powder. Next, pour the liquid ingredients into the dry ingredients along with 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin puree, one flaxseed egg, which you can make by combining flaxseed and some water and setting aside until it's gel. And as you stir this together, it starts to smell so good. I let that sit for a minute while I preheat my pan, adding some coconut oil. Then I add the mix with a spoon, but you can also use 1/3 of a cup, so every pancake is the same size. When you see it starts to get some air bubbles, then you know it's ready to flip, and you will see it's gold and brown. Then just cook them for another minute or so, and you will be ready to serve. I love to have a big stacks of pancakes like this one, and in this case I will add some pecans, which is perfect for this season, some pumpkin seeds, and of course honey, or you can also use maple syrup or the toppings you want. And now it's time to enjoy our pumpkin spice pancakes latte from Starbucks, but homemade. Oh my god, have you tried the Starbucks pumpkin spice latte? If you love that one, this tastes exactly the same, so believe me, you will love these pancakes. Make sure you try this at home and comment down below so I can see how you like it. If you add some ingredient, let me know. Tag me on Instagram, it's the same username as my YouTube channel. And also make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel so you can see what we're making next. I see you in the next video.